garden. I'm Jacinth Byles and I live in Jacks Hill, where the weather is pretty hot. I have a garden right around the house, mainly hardy plants, as we say in Jamaica, and bromelias, periwinkle, as you can see here. As you can see, I have a lot of orchids, ferns, periwinkle, and this is called the lace plant. And here is a beautiful bromelia. It has never bloomed, but I think it's going to be blooming at some point in time. They say all plants bloom if you give them time. This is an orchid, and sometimes I get about 31 blooms from it. When they're all blooming, it's really beautiful, I can say. Look, this is now blooming. I also have some impatiens, which is in the shade because it likes shade. I've had this impatiens for over 20 years, I swear. For a very long time. This is very interesting. So I have quite a few of them. It looks like a bird's nest inside. If you look in the middle of it, it looks like a nest right in the middle. I'd let nature take its course. I just leave it as it is. If it comes up, that's it. Oh, once it's beautiful, I leave it. It's best to have a well laid out garden. It looks nice all the time, even if you have no blooms. That's the truth. I'm in the garden at least an hour every day, but we spend a lot of time on weekends because I work, I'm a professional, I'm a wife, I'm everything, plus a gardener. But I do have a wonderful gardener. He has patience, he's very loyal, very dedicated. You can't have anybody better than him. He spends hours in the garden. As a matter of fact, we call him the night gardener because he works until night. And I mean like 10, 11 o'clock, 12, sometimes 1 in the morning. We have the ivy on the wall, and that's very hard to keep. My gardener is good at that. He cleans it up. It's called old man's beard. It's gray and it looks like an old man's beard, doesn't it?